Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file Grubhub taxes. As an independent contractor, you are responsible for your own taxes, which can seem daunting at first. We'll walk through the essential steps to ensure you're prepared. First, focus on collecting all your income statements and tracking every business expense. This organized approach will simplify the entire filing process for you. Your Grubhub earnings, including all tips, are considered gross income and must be reported. It's crucial to meticulously track all your business expenses throughout the year. This includes mileage driven for deliveries, a portion of your phone bill, and any insulated bags or other supplies. Accurate record keeping is your best friend for maximizing deductions and minimizing your tax liability. Many common expenses can be deducted, significantly reducing your taxable income. Vehicle expenses, whether using the standard mileage rate or actual costs, are a major one. You'll report all your business income and expenses on Schedule C, Form 1040. Remember, if you anticipate owing $1,000 or more in taxes, making estimated quarterly payments is essential to avoid penalties. Filing your taxes electronically is often the easiest and most accurate method, and many software options can guide you. If your tax situation feels complex or you have specific questions, don't hesitate to consult a qualified tax professional. They can offer personalized advice and ensure you're taking advantage of all available benefits. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.